Okay, this is a video about an eyepiece. I bought this eyepiece just because it has a unique characteristics that only good eyepieces have. And I will show you first what is this, the name of it. Okay, it's a Soligor HP ocular means eyepiece in German, HP eyepiece, 12.5 millimeter long eye relief, that is LER. And let us open it and see what is interesting about this eyepiece. Okay, let's see what is inside. So this is a eyepiece that I was talking about. This is Soligor HP 12.5 millimeter long eye relief lanthanum multi-coated. Okay, that's where I wanted to talk. Okay, lanthanum is a metal and it is the 57th element in the periodic table. When it is in the form of oxide, it can be used in the making of glass, and that glass will have a high refractive index, refracting index, and lowest dispersion, so it doesn't disperse the light. And there are good eyepieces made by this lanthanum, and the eyepieces that are made with this are sought after. They are good, and I can say that the eyepiece itself, when I look at it, it looks nice and clear. The build of it is metal, quite heavy actually compared to what it is. And I will show a good test of it when there is a less cloud and no rain, hopefully. And we will see how this performs on the moon or some nebula or planets. But I must say this is a good eyepiece made from a special glass which is built for low dispersion of the light. And you can see that it has a good light transmission as far as I can see. And the test of it will come when I look at the stars, nebula or moon or planets with this. The body of the telescope, the body of the eyepiece, as you can see, is metal. It's made in Japan. It has a filter screw at the end and a lovely eye cup. Produces a good restricted area that you can look through it. And the rubber is made really nice. It's quite hefty, it's heavy. It's not really cheaply made or light or plastic or anything. This is substantial. Yes, Soligor is a famous German company who imported a lot of stuff from Japan and China now. This one is made in Japan, and I suspect this is built by Vixen for them. It can be a Vixen. The way that this punched letters Japan looks like the one that I've seen in the Vixen. Same position almost. So, quite impressive for an eyepiece.
Need to agree with Boris Johnson that a general election will be the way ahead, and then the EU can then decide, given that they'll know what's happening on Monday, how long the extension can be.
This Lanthanum Oxide is really good for eyepieces, and I will have a test of this after this weather becomes better. We will see how it does.